Okay, di ba din muna ulit ako?
Sige, wag na. Hi guys! Now we're in Harlan and Holden. Harlan plus Holden. Oh, yeah. Diba? What's up, boy? Oh my God! Oh! Diba? Hi guys, so ngayon, oh my gosh, my face. Kakagising ko lang. I'm here ngayon sa Mega Mall. I'm gonna get my ID, national ID. Kasi hindi ko siya ma-log in sa app, yung Gcash. Naka-ID ako ngayon. Para like in case na won't forget it, diba? Kasi pag dito sa bag, baka maya malaglag or something. Ito yung bag ko right now. Punong-puno yung bag ko. So, yeah. Hala, yung lips ko. May sugat. So, I already got my national ID. And ang kapal ng contour ko ngayon, guys. Okay, I'm gonna take off my ID now. Adam Sandler. Adam Sandler. Hey guys. Ngayon. Oh my gosh, look at my hairstyle na yan, guys. So I'm waiting for my and they're so tagal. Wala akong load ngayon. So what I can do right now is to take a video and talk with you guys. Right now, so kakatapos lang namin kumain ng pastil. I mean, ako kumain ng pastil, then my parents, they bought Paris. Spicy. Yeah. Also yung sa akin, spicy. And then I bought also honey calamansi. That's all lang naman. And then right now, I'm just strolling around the Miniso. Actually, kakatapos ko lang din pala mag-stroll around the Miniso. And I saw the chest na binigay sa akin ng cousin ko. It's so cute! Oh my gosh! I really love it. There's like pearls around the star. Yung corner ng star. Promise. Kahit na naman. So guys, right now, nagtutupi ako ng clothes namin. Ngayon, my dad's listening to hard rock music. Grabe. All I think is yapping, ganon.
And then, ano pa ba? Just yap lang, pero hindi ko alam kung ano yung yap ko. Gusto ko magsalita. Gusto ko mag-yap and yap and yap, pero hindi ko siyang kayang gawin. Wait, ang yapping na yun.
What? Naguguluhan ako, guys. Pero, ayun. Kung sa tingin nyo, I'm this type of girl, no. Sino nagtanong? I'm a type of girl na super duper ingay. Pero at the same time, you know, andyan yung friends ko right now. Nandyan yung friends ko. Naginuman sila, pero hindi ako pumunta. I mean, pumunta ako, pero like, I stayed a bit. Kasi sabi ko, nag-crave ako ng McDo, Coke float. So, nag-order. And then, goodbye. Ganon. And then, after nun, umuwi ako, nanood ako ng rom-com kasi hindi ko natapos. And then, I'm doing my chores ngayon. And then, yun lang naman. Like, you know, I'm in my comfort zone era muna. Or like, comfort zone. What do you call that? Parang, basta nasa comfort zone ako today. Like, this week. Like, ayokong gumalaw-galaw. Gusto ko mapag-isa. Ganon. Gusto ko, like, me time. Ganon. Me time lang. Then, like, super duper peace. Like, so, like, right now, iniisip ko kinakausap ko sarili ko, but no, kinakausap ko yung camera. And I like it. You know guys, I really love cameras. I like being in camera. Since bata pa lang ako, I really love camera. Gusto ko mag-arte-arte, mag-post dyan, everything. Kahit when I was a kid, si Lola, kahit bihisan niya ako ng, alam mo yung kumot, tas tatalian mo lang. I really love that. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm like model, ganon. You know guys, fun fact, I want to be a model, guys. Kaso, I don't have the courage to have this face card. Hindi ko alam kung may face card ba ako or not. But, you know, I love myself. I like taking care of myself. I like trying to make myself look better, you know. And, ayun, sa pag-makeup, skincare. Pero right now, kasi hindi ako masyadong nagsi-skincare since yun nga, I'm in my comfort zone. Ayoko masyadong gumagalaw-galaw. So, like, I'm just doing the basic skincare lang. Ngayon, as a Taurus, kasi naniniwala ako, hindi naman sa super duper naniniwala, pero like, you know, as a Taurus, I like eating. Like, you know, before my birthday, guys, hindi ako kumain masyado. Like, oh, alam mo yung one meal, OMAD, and then, minsan pa nga, super onti lang ng kain ko sa OMAD na yun. Tapos I don't eat sugar masyado. More on water, fruits. Yeah, pero yung fruits, I know, meron siyang sugar, guys. And, ayun lang naman. I'm gonna do my chores na. And then, I think, I'm gonna watch na rin. I don't know kung ano yung watch ko, pero gusto ko yung, alam mo, nakakaiyak at the same time nakakatawa. And I don't know, mag-scroll pa ako sa TikTok to look for the movie or series na maganda para magawa ko yung chores na yun. And then later on, mag-music, etc. And then, siguro I'm gonna visit my cousins. Yeah, so, ayun guys. Sorry pala for my messy background kasi kakalipat lang namin ng house. I think last month lang. So, hindi pa masyadong naayos. And marami pa kaming ipapagawa here sa house. And, ayun, abangan nyo na lang, guys. Oh my gosh. So, ayun. I'm outside walking my dog right now. And kakatapos ko lang mag-live. So, I'm trying. Alam mo yung zoom netong phone ko? Hindi ko siya ma-zoom. And right now, I'm feeling bloated ngayon. Look at my face, guys. Siguro if nahalata nyo sa pictures ko, it's very, do you call that? Very slim. Ayun. Very slim. It's because nagda-diet ako talaga. Every time before my picture day or like shoot day, nagda-diet ako. I drink lots of Yakults and I eat lots of yogurts and hindi ako kumakain ng mga, alam mo yun, very mataas ang fats and carbs. Ayun, so like, para you know, I look good sa picture. Pero ngayon kasi, in my comfort zone nga. Ngayon kasi, I'm in my comfort zone nga, diba? So, ayun, I eat everything I want. Chocolates, chichirya. Actually, I'm not like, hindi ako mahilig sa chichirya. Yeah, guys. Hindi ako mahilig sa chichirya. Unless it's Tommy. Or minsan nga, hindi ko nauubos yung Tommy. I just like the taste ng chichirya. Pero, yung all over, yung like Marquez, ganon, hindi ko siya maubos, guys. Like, alam mo yung kakain lang ng chichirya for the taste. Tapos like, hindi din ako mahilig uminom ng Coke unless it's Coke float. Hindi rin ako mahilig mag cold drinks unless it's Coke float matcha. Actually, I missed Java chip. Pero, nakakasama daw kasi sa health yun. So, I mean, kahit nakakasama sa health, nabibenta pa rin siya. Sabi kasi ng doctor sa TikTok, so nakikinig ako. Shoutout sa iyo, doctor. Sinabi naman yun na you can drink, wag lang sobra. Right? And like, yun nga, bawasan natin yung calories. Like, calorie deficient. Ayun. And exercise. We should exercise, guys. Ganito ako maglakad ng aso, guys. Like, hinihila ako ng aso ko. Magkalaban kami sa way ng pupuntahan namin. Ganon. Tapos minsan, tignan mo. Paano. Ganyan siya, guys. I don't know, hindi nyo kasi nakikita. Pero ayan, ganyan siya. It's very crazy, right? Basta, the only thing I'm going to do today, chores, bond with my cousins, sulitin ko yung bakasyon ko, and let's see what's going to go. Let's see kung saan mapupunta tong bakasyon ko.